Welcome to the installation video of the Vanity Outlet Organizer. We will be demonstrating in a face frame cabinet. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 1/8 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a Vanity Outlet Organizer, a cable carrier arm, figure 8 brackets, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, number 8 by 3/8 inch panhead screws, silver bins, rear bloom brackets for face frame cabinets only, wire clamps, 1/4 14 by 1/2 inch screws, cable carrier bracket with 2 attached screws, and bloom spacers, 2 for face frame and 4 for frameless. First, release the slide set by squeezing the bloom triggers underneath the Vanity Outlet Organizer. Pull the drawer box from the slides. Secure the figure 8 brackets to the pre-drilled holes on the front of the unit using the screws from the same packet. Next, use a pencil to trace along the bottom 2 corners of the existing drawer. Mark on the back of the drawer front and then detach. Align the bottom corners of the Vanity Outlet drawer to the pencil marks on the drawer front. Mark the hole locations in the figure 8 brackets. Before pre-drilling, it's a good idea to tape your 1/8 inch bit as a guide to help prevent you from drilling all the way through the drawer front. Pre-drill the holes and then secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Attach the cable carrier arm to the 2 pre-drilled holes at the back side of the Vanity Outlet drawer using the number 8 by 3/8 inch panhead screws. Attach the wire clamps to the arm with the 1/4 14 by 1/2 inch screws. Screw in a wire clamp on the 1st, 3rd, and 5th hole. Repeat with the 2nd and 4th hole of the extended bracket. Now feed the cord through the clamps. For face frame applications, clamp the 1/8 inch bloom spacers to the top of the 1st hole on each of the slides. Place the rear bloom bracket on the back of each of the bloom slides. Mark 13/32 of an inch from the front edge of the cabinet. Next, place the slide set in the cabinet. Mark the front hole location. Make sure the slide is level and extend the rear bracket so it is flush with the back wall. Mark holes in all 4 corners. Pre-drill using your 1/8 inch bit. Repeat on the other side. Remove the slide set and attach the rear brackets to the back of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Next, unscrew both screws situated in the cable carrier bracket. For face frame, secure to the outside of the left slide. For frameless applications, secure to the inside of the left slide. Insert the slide set into the rear brackets and then secure to the face frame using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. For frameless applications, mount the slides directly to the side wall. You will not need the rear brackets. Attach the cable carrier arm to the large bracket that is secured to the left bloom slide. First, disengage the locking mechanism by pulling out the 2 plungers. Second, insert the plungers into the 2 holes of the large bracket and push down to secure. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the bloom slides. Cycle the drawer. Insert the bins. The unit can now be plugged in. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.